So my sister's friend is currently visiting Korea, so I'm gonna head out to buy some snacks and some cosmetic products for her to bring them to my sister. I'm gonna check on Daiso and Olive Young because those two stores are pretty close to my place, so I'm gonna check on those first, and I'm gonna buy like many things, I guess. And once I get home, I will be doing a haul. And then I don't really know, like today I want to stay at home, so maybe I'm gonna be baking, maybe I'm gonna be cleaning. Like today is gonna be a pretty chill day, but anyway, I'm gonna show you everything and let's get into the vlog. Of things I bought for my sister. So first I got her like a lot of sheet masks, so I got her like 2 from this brand. I got her like 2 of this brand, 2 like this, 2 like this, 1 like that. I also got her this eye glitter. I also got her this lip tint. And I also bought some snacks for boyfriend and her. So first we have this snack, which is like tteokbokki snack, and some jelly. I've never tried this one. I also got her this dalgona snack. So I never tried this, but it looks pretty good. And for those who don't know, dalgona is a kind of like traditional, I think, snack here. I also got her this DIY kit, and with this one you can make your like chocolates, and I feel like it is really cool, and it was also very cheap. I think it was around like $1, so pretty cheap. I do have a lot of time today, so I'm gonna be decorating pretzels. And I also do have like a lot of chocolate colors. Like, let me show you. I have like yellow, pink, purple, green, brown, like so many colors. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. That's very easy, and I feel like cooking to me it's kind of like relaxing, so I'm gonna be doing this today, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So hot. Let's make a try. I think I'm gonna put Pringle. Oh, okay. I think I'm gonna do it like this, one by one. Wow, okay. I just made one here. Okay, so that is the first one. It is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna try to put some sprinkles on it. Wow. Should I put more? Okay. Wow, it looks very cute. inside this small bag. That is so cute. I'm gonna get my hair done in 2 hours, so I have some time because I'm a little bit early. So I'm gonna find a place to eat.
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No, I can't, just can't. 가져 내 마음을, 마저 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기에. 자신이 너무 걱정돼. 바보 같은 생각이야. 알아 멍청해. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상.
Strawberry sheets on your bed. 6 months of dreaming.
You choose to pick up one, another for inside. And favorite
I'm not sure. What?
What is pretty?
That's so much more than what they said.
Maybe we can take this one like out of here and just put it.
We have 2 bingsu and some mochi. We have some mochi here. And drinks. And I believe that is yogurt. sister's friend earlier in the day. That's the reason why I did not really want to vlog. I just wanted to just enjoy the moment, and she brought me some snacks from home. And for those who don't know, I really love chips. Like, I'm like a big sucker for chips, but usually the ones in Korea are like way too sweet for me. So she brought me my favorite brand. I'm gonna show you. She brought me this one. She brought me another flavor. She also brought me those. That's basically just caramel snack. And some chocolate. One for my boyfriend and one for myself.